Good morning, this is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in less than a minute. Going to watch ESPR out of the opening gates here. Already have an order at 45.35. Let me grab my tool here so you can see that down here. My order is sitting out there to try to short initial 500 shares. So let's see what happens. I will keep you updated. Okay, there was the break. Got my shares filled there. Gonna throw out an order at 45.15, but if I can build, which I can, this is great. Oh, and I got filled. Okay, I'll put a new order out. Shoot, should have been a little quicker. All right, well, I have my next order at 45.85 to start the whole process over again. So let's see if it can get up to 45.85. I'm a little bummed at myself. Should have been a little bit more. Then again, I would have been at 45.85 and it never got up that high anyway. So doesn't matter. I wouldn't have gotten filled because that's as high as it's gone so far. So I guess it played out. It doesn't really matter at this point. So I will pause it, but this one's a fast mover, so I'll do my best to capture it, but do have an order at 45.85 again on the short side. All right, yeah, and I'm in, and I'm out there at, everything's happening so fast here. Let me just get my next order out there. So 46.85 is my next order. So let's see if it can get up there. Sorry, I'm looking at the other stocks and I turn around and ESPR had already made its move. So all right, I'll pause and keep you updated. Okay, there we are again on the break of 47. I move that order up to 47.45. So let's see if it can get up there. Again, 47.45. Okay, so I'm in. We'll look to build, and I'm out that quick again. Gonna go up to 47.95. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. I better just keep this one running, huh? This thing's... I don't even know where am I at. Oh, up 220 so far. Okay. All right, I'm going to go to 48.15 with the way it's acting here. See if I can get up there through. Well, shame on me. Change my order. That would have been beautiful. That would have been another quick one. So that's what I get for trying to get cute and second guessing myself. But at this point, I am going to leave it at 48.15. Okay, so I'm in. We'll look to build bigger if possible, but I'm out again. Let's go to 48.45. See if I can get it up there. Let's see, now up 295 and it's 9:35. And I've done how many trades? 1, 2, 3. So 4 trades in 5 minutes and up 295. So this has been a very good one for sure. All right, I'm going to pause it. All right, now looking to potentially go long here if this thing continues to pull back. So I have an order at 44.55. Still have my shorting order out there at 48.99, but I'm going to go ahead and cancel that one just because, well, it's not looking like that's going to happen anytime soon. But I suppose with as fast as this one moves, I should watch what I say because for all I know, it'll be back up there in a couple minutes. But as it stands right now, I've kind of changed my mindset to looking to buy this pullback here. So again, for initial order at 44.55. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. Still about $1 to move, but as you've seen, this one can can get moving very quickly. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, it's nearing the break of 45. Oh, and it's shot down there, and all right, I don't like how it was just toying with me there, so I'm going to go ahead and change to 44.37 at this point in time. How low did that drop? Low of 44.56. Literally 44.56. 1 penny above where my order was on that plunge. So we'll see if it wants to break through 44.50. I want to double check that. Yep, 44.56 low on this candle here. So you saw the plunge. So it went all the way down to 1 penny. But let's see. I'm not going to give up on it yet. All right, I will pause it. All right, looking to try to go long here, 500 shares at 43.51. So let's see if it can get down there or not. Okay, in. We'll look to try to build more if possible. Puts them at 42.75. So let's see if I can pull back there and get some of those. Still, even if I get those, that's just going to be 1,000 shares. Okay, I got those. So let's see if I can get some of those out at 43.25. We'll look to definitely build some more. I like this pullback action here. Try to go with a little bit bigger size at 42.01. All right, I will pause it, and I'll let you know if it looks like I'm going to get more or else be able to take some profits off the table. All right, have an order. I changed with the 1 to 43.15, and then 43. Oh, it took my 25s. Right? Okay, so I'm all out there. I don't know what that was for, but now I'm up 365. But I'm ready to, whoops, seeing something on the chart there. Let me get that value. Got it. So 41.75. Make sure my numbers are right. Will be my next entry point here. If it wants to keep on pulling back, I'll buy this pullback all day long. So about $1 away, but as I've said and as you've seen, this one can move very, very quickly. So it's not quite as far off as what it may seem. So I will pause it as we're coming up almost on 10 minutes on the video. So, but this is some good trading action, so I'm not going to really worry too much about the length. So, as it stands now, 365, and it's not even 30 minutes into the day. So, happy with this morning, but let's see if we can get a little bit more. Okay, going to look to go short here at 44.18 on this current little bounce back here. 44.18 initial entry point. All right, not what I was looking for it to act. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that and re-advise the situation. I want to see a little bit more fluid of movement there. Okay, have an order out to short at 23.35 on NKTR here. You can see volumes increasing on it quite a bit down there. But I don't know. This one's kind of goofy. It moves fast and then it tightens up. So I don't know if I'm being realistic at 22.35 or not. But we'll see. Still out there searching. Before I forget, one of the big questions I get with these live trade videos, hey Clay, how are you finding these stocks that you're trading? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I am using to find stocks. So how did I find ESPR this morning? That's what I talk about in this guide. Like I said, totally free, very good risk versus reward. The biggest risk is, hey, maybe it wastes 5 minutes of your time that it takes you to go through the guide. But the reward, hey, maybe it really, really helps you out. So I think it's definitely worth at least a try. So like I said, click right there and I will email the guide to you. All right, looking to try to buy this pullback here again. Initial order at 41.37. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. I will pause it. All right, looking to pick up 500 shares here of MOMO at 32.37. Also have an order out on ESPR right now at 41.05. So let's see if it can. Obviously, first step is going to be breaking down through 32.50, which as you can see there's got pretty big support. There's the break. Okay, so I'm in. Excellent. I will look to build more. Or if it wants to give me a quick $50, which it did, and I don't know what was that, about 5 seconds. So I'll take the 5 second $50 all day long. Let's see what else I can find. And with that, I'm just going to wrap things up. It is 10:23 a.m., so not quite an hour into the day, up $415. So nice little start to the initial hour of the day. Obviously, still another 5.5 hours left in the day. So I'll take this. Final few things before I leave. Easiest way to let me know, hey Clay, please keep making these. I enjoy them. I find them entertaining. Is to just click that like button and subscribe to the channel. There's lots of other content on the channel. So, and by subscribing, obviously you'll be able to keep in touch with all that. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, you can go to claytrader.com, and I offer a private trading community there that has a chat room, a weekly newsletter. And then if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, how to use charts and all that good stuff, again, you can go to claytrader.com, and I offer many video training courses there. So again, thank you to all of you as viewers. Thank you to those that click the like button, and I will see you back next week. Have a good week.